We're about to release ArcoLinuxB Wayfire, and one of the things we always do is, guys, you don't need to ask us if there is already an ISO. You can build it. In our universe, we build our own ISOs. Build your own ISO. You can do that. So today there is no official release of Wayfire, but you can just do it. Clearing the cache on my second screen, refresh, right? Go for it, my friend. Another refresh. And then you'll see that basically all these images, all these files are all the same things, right? They're all the same approach. But yes, it's always interesting that people see their title, Wayfire. And this is one of the alternative waybars that is now on my machine there. It's always the same approach, it's always the same procedure. So we're gonna show you how to build the Arco Wayfire, which you cannot download today, but you can build it every single moment of the day. You go to your desktop, that's one of the places to be, and you say Ctrl-Shift-V, that's it. That's not hard. Then you go data in, and basically you go inside the installation script, open a terminal and remember 40. That was it. You have the Wayfire in no time. You can install it on the Intel and the AMD machines, but also on the NVIDIA machines. So it will get, it will download all the packages and all that, and it will end up here. It will end in Ctrl-H inside ArcoLinuxB out. You'll get the Wayfire. This is mine before, and you'll get the new one. It will just overwrite it. Okay, that's all. You want to make it more complex? Always possible. Complex is always possible. You can add a personal repo to it. I saw their personal repo. Personal, that's one thing. You can have a personal repo added to it. Nemesis repo, which is my own, which is on github.com, and then you have to put in your own URL, right? And you can add packages, icons, themes, whatever, config of Wayfire, your own, right? As long as it doesn't conflict with the other, right? Then it will work. So more like additional packages that we don't have, ours doesn't have. That's what you put in there. You can use the personal folder, which is actually a folder on your computer system. So /personal, put anything in there. Packages that you can install with sudo pacman -u, configurations, copy paste, done. It's there already on the ISO in the folder personal. It's all about choices. All this information is arcolinxb.com, the website. But mainly what we show you is you can actually go into Arch ISO. Again, this is from the personal repo. And what packages do you want? You have to tell them what you want, just an icon theme there. But this is an interesting one. It contains all the very technical things that you better stay off. But if you go all the way down and then back up, you can decide to install less or more. Right? Less or more. All these packages at some point in time will say something, and everything that has a hashtag is actually not interesting for you. So set it to Perl, and anything with a color is going to be installed. And maybe if your own opinions about, well, packages in general, applications, and here you can start telling no, not yay, never yay, I want Paru. So be it, right? Then it's Paru bin that we have. There's also Paru git, and it's just Paru. There are lots of choices. You want to go for ArcoLinux. This one does not exist anymore, right? It's out, it's gone. But there is PAMAC AOR, and there is Octopi. So choose between PAMAC AOR or Octopi. So by default, it's PAMAC AOR. We like and love Minstick, and it goes on and on and on and on. So if you don't want Minstick, just as an example, you put this in front, save, run it. Don't want neofetch, hate it, okay, put a hashtag in front of it. It's not on the ISO, it's not on your future system. All right, so it's that easy to just go and change some things it's a little bit more complex, but then you go and look at the personal articles. We have this folder personal. Why should you use it? You can use themes, personal folder, system, aliases, maybe stuff, right? Follow the videos. 1 of 8 videos I see. More tutorials here, how to create ISOs. But this is more of the website is to learn how to build ISOs. This is easy, but it gets more and more, of course, gradually more interesting, of course, but also more difficult. All right, that's the Nemesis repo. How do we add more things to our system? And then you have your own personalized ISO, and that's the goal of this one. Build your own ISO with the packages you want, delete any software before you build it, and then you have it on the ISO. You burn it and you got your own ArcoLinux based system. In the meantime, no, we still have to wait. Let's just pause the video and see that it is in here. And then it's finished, right? So the next video is gonna be, how to install ArcoLinuxB Wayfire, which is difficult because it's, you can't record it in VirtualBox. You can't do it. You need to do it on real metal. So basically, guys, just this calamares, follow the normal procedure like all the other 42 ISOs, and that's just fine. Today you'll have to choose grub or systemd boot, and then choose easy or advanced, and then do your thing. It will work on Intel, AMD, and as well on NVIDIA, as long as you have NVIDIA DKMS. That's gonna work for you. Cheers.